Hello folks, so today in Yardie's kitchen we are making jerk chicken rasta pasta. We are using rotini pasta, but you can use any other pasta that you like. Before we get into this video, remember to like, share and subscribe to Yardie TV for more beautiful recipes. So today we are using some rotini pasta that we boiled along with a little bit of sweet corn. We're adding our favorite seasoning ingredients: garlic, bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, and we have some bell pepper that we're going to use for the finishing of the dish. We're using jerk chicken, so we went ahead and prepared that in advance. To our hot skillet, we want to add our seasoning ingredients, our onion and garlic and tomatoes, or whatever else you so choose, and just have that saute for just a minute to get the flavors out of those ingredients. Once they become translucent is where you want to start thinking of adding in your rest of ingredients. We're using coconut milk instead of heavy cream, so get that prepared once you are at this stage. Then you want to add your pasta, guys, and remember we used fresh corn in this one, so we had it boiled with our pasta. Once your pasta is added, you want to just incorporate it as much as possible with the seasonings that you have sauteing. The next thing you want to add is your powdered seasonings, your paprika, your garlic powder, your chopped dried onion, or whatever else you so choose to add. You make it your own dish. It is very, very flexible, and so whatever taste you want to see come out, you can utilize your dish to make that taste come out. All right, so we're just adding our powdered ingredients now and allowing this to simmer in the coconut milk for a little while. Now guys, be careful that you don't overcook your pasta and so it becomes too soggy for the dish. So as soon as your pasta is al dente, you take it out of the boiling water so that it can be used in this way and don't go too soft or soggy. The next thing you want to add is your jerked chicken. And guys, you can use shrimp, you can use whatever protein you want for this dish, but we're using jerk chicken, or you can just go straight vegetarian. All right, we have our bell peppers chopped and we're gonna add that as well to the pasta. And now you want to get creative, guys. We're using red onion and bell peppers, and now we're gonna also add some mayonnaise to get it more creamy. All right, so here we go. So now you just want to make sure that all your ingredients are fully incorporated. Make sure that your onions and your pepper and the mayonnaise is totally incorporated into the dish so that every little part of the dish have some vibes going. We want to add some oregano just to pick up on that little bit of Italian vibe. And guys, you want to finish up with some cumin. All right. Again, guys, the dish is very flexible. You can add what you so choose. We're adding a little bit more seasoned salt just to get that vibe going and to make sure our pasta is properly salted. And we're topping it off with some smoked paprika for that nice jerky vibe. Guys, these are sweetie drop peppers. Very small peppers that have a vibe like a Scotch bonnet but no heat. I totally love them. These are optional and I choose to add them to my dish, both for color and of course for the flavor. So it definitely works when you want to make your dish pop. The last thing we're going to add is some spinach, or if you have callaloo, you can add it. We're just choosing to do this because we like the vibe that it brings, the color, and that again, we want a little nutritious vibe going. So guys, look at the rasta pasta. This is totally finished. We're gonna plate it, and then we're gonna also just sprinkle some cheese, grate some cheese on the side. Yeah, we're using smoked Gouda. You can use Parmesan or whatever you so choose. Remember to subscribe to Yardie TV for great recipes. Continue to like, share, and of course, tell somebody about Yardie TV. We love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I do hope that you enjoy this dish in your neck of the woods.